Hi there, my name's Tayannah and I work here at Suwannee River Regional Library. Today I'm going to be doing a craft to show you how to make a DIY stained window on your own window at home. I saw this on Facebook and decided to try it at my own house on my own front door, and it worked out great, so they gave me permission to go ahead and do it here. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a roll of either painter's tape or masking tape, a pair of scissors, a variety of paints. I'm using acrylic, you could also use washable, wide paintbrushes, water in a cup, and loads of paper towels. First step is you're going to outline the paint of the window, so we make sure we don't get any paint on that, with some tape. So now that our outline is all completed, we left a little bit of tape on the glass just so we'd have a nice edging. We're going to go ahead and do our middle piece, which is going to be a shape. We have decided to do a heart. So our heart is going to be our focal piece, so you're going to go ahead and tape that shape on there as well now. So now that we've got our centerpiece, our heart taped on, we're going to take the masking tape and we're going to start doing our lines for our stained glass. But we're going to do this actually cut in half of the tape so they're not as thick. So it'll be thinner, clear lines in between all of the colors. So you're going to do that for the rest of the window, and then we'll move on to our next step. Now that we have all of our sections on here, and as you can see there are quite a few of them, we're good to go ahead and start painting. So all you're going to need is your wide brush and your acrylic paints, and you're going to color each section. You can do repeat colors, but try to make sure that you don't have two pinks next to each other or two greens next to each other. Just make sure they're all separated out. Alright, so now that it is completely painted, our final step is going to be to remove all the tape, which I've already started doing here in the corner. So what you're going to do is you're going to slowly peel it up and carefully start to remove it. And once all the tape is off, your piece is done. And now that the tape is removed, this is your final product. Make sure you're being very careful when you're peeling up the tape where some of the paint may come up with it, but you can always go in with a paintbrush and touch that up, as well as go in and touch up these rough edges in there. So this is completely done. Whenever you want to remove it from your window, you can use some hot water and dish soap or some hot water and vinegar and scrub at it and use a scraper to get it off, but it will come off. We want to thank you for watching today, and we hope you have fun doing this DIY project at home.